just a little bit stickier. It's important to have it sticky, so I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of water and see how it comes out. Okay, that's better, but I'm just going to go ahead and add 1 more because you're going to add the oats and you really want it all to stick together. Just know it depends on what kind of nut butter you use. If it's really runny, you might not have to use any water at all. Yeah, this is great. You can see that it's a little bit, you can actually see a little bit of the moistness. So this is going to stick together well. So I ended up adding another couple of tablespoons of water just because you really see how it's sticking on my hands. You want it that sticky so that it holds together.